Is that ice already on there? Oh my god, it's literally icing up already. Yep, that's all ice. Wow. Oh. All right, if the roads are this slushy, boys, we will not be driving anymore. So let's see. I just cleaned this. Get off. All right, there we go. Here we go, boys. So let's see, we're gonna keep the light on and we're gonna turn off traction control. We're gonna keep it in comfort for now. All right, there we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Uh-oh. Oh! How close was that? How close was that? How close was that? Oh my god, in the car it looked so much that's still too close for comfort. Shit. Oh, is that an empty parking lot? Let's just go in the empty parking lot. I'm drifting with traction control on. That's when you know the snow is real slushy tonight. Look at this lot, guys, completely untouched. All right, well, we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna go nice and slow though, because I almost just curbed my car, so that was not cool. So we're gonna try that again.
Hey guys, this is Dion from the future, currently editing this video. This wasn't even meant to be a video, so I spent almost a solid 10 minutes in that parking lot doing nothing but basically this. And I put the GoPro on the ground thinking that you would get a better view of like what I'm doing. Little did I know that I should have kept it in first person point of view with the GoPro pasted to my head. So I'm really sorry about that. This clip is literally just me messing around in the snowstorm, because after this clip was done, I spent almost, an hour getting back home, driving 10 miles an hour the entire time. It was so bad on the roads. It was essentially this parking lot, but on main roads and everyone getting stuck. All right, that's enough talking. That's enough yapping. That's enough.
Hopefully the camera caught all of that. Just a quick little fun video for you guys during this winter storm. All right.